Hey besties, welcome to my YouTube channel Kamakawa Kamada. And if it's your first time watching this channel, I go by the name Shiko Paul, a Kenyan content creator based in So where we deal with travel, lifestyle, pranks, not really much intense pranks, music, all yani a jack of all trades. So on today's video, I'm going to take you over my friend's house tour yake, tuone venye kunakaa, then later take you for swimming, enjoy the cool vibe, okay? Sitaki kupoteza a lot of time. Utaambia nini mama? You don't want to talk. Tell them something. But then she's nini camera shy, so si nini yangi sana. I don't judge her, but ana try squeezy. So let me start this video. They kupoteza a lot of time. You're curious to see how it is. For me, by the way, I liked this place, this house, the color, the windows, how they're bright, lighting inaingia vizuri, it's so spacious, yani it's mwah. Hopefully you're going to learn some 1 2 3 3 4. So it's more of a house tour, okay? When you're going to decorate your houses. We are starting over here. This is the entrance of the door. Iko hivo. Ukitoka entrance, there is this amazing butterfly over here where you can hang your vifunguo, call it all business na hiyo. And then there's some switches over here. Alafu hapa kuna some mat. There is a mat where there's some shoes. This is mine in pairs. Tukitoka hivi tunakuja, hey, this is, see this lighting, iko fiti, and this art, it's so amazing. This is grateful, thankful, blessed. Wow. And also that na hiyo, there is this awesome ring lights. Ukiona hii unajua huyu mtu ni wa TikTok manenos. And there is also some sockets over here za kucharge. It's so spacious. Unaona kuna socket ingine hapa. Tukitoka hapa tunaingia kwa the sitting room. Wow, besties, at a far corner, this is how you see this place looking like. Without wasting time, there is this amazing kitty. Inakaa hivo wadau. Inakaa hivo. That's the first chair. Then this is the second one over here. Yeah, and it's so nice, like ni tamu sana. Ukikalia hufeel ka unabondwa. It's not stiff, it's so soft. This amazing marble table. Yeah, we were eating that. And this awesome carpet. Is it a carpet or a mat? It's a carpet. This is. So kuna hii table. It's known as a coffee table. A marble one, white one indeed. Na tena kuna hii kiti ingine kwa hapa. One thing I love about these chairs, it's these details. Besties, you can see, like, see zile za mbao. It's she's taking some wine. She can't stop, but behind the camera, acha tu. I like that. And also this part over here, kako kache, ako ka table. It's so amazing. Tunakuja kwa hii decor, this decor nakafiti. The second one, sasa hapa tunakuja at the TV area, and it's so soft. The feathers are so soft, my besties. The Wi-Fi over here. Alafu kuna hiyo TV stand. It's so amazing, besties. From a far look, that's how the sitting room looks like. Mostly the TV area. Inakaa fiti. Before going to the TV area, let me just show you. Kwa ile kiti tulikuwa, There is this way where you can just stay, and there is this beautiful deck over here. Nje, unaona venye inakaa down. It's so pretty. And also one over there. Some chairs. And it's so big. Hii balcony hapa hivi nje ni kubwa vizuri. And you can hear kuna kelele sana. And the electric fence up hivyo juu, so security is on top, like you're secured, na kuna hii bulb light over there. And the window is so big, like lighting inaingia vizuri sana. So kama wewe ni YouTube content creator, nini, you are all sorted over there. And this one being white, it's another complement the house nice. And one thing I learned, like having white stuffs in your house inafanyanga nyumba inakaa kubwa. So tuendelee. The TV stand accompanied by this artificial plants. It's so amazing. Wow. Kuna ingine hapo, and this also another deco over here. Still amazing. With the lighting still on top, and this other lighting over there, the lighting is wow. That's one thing I love about this place. Inakaa hivyo. That's a quick one. Hizo ndo tuko tunavaa. Next to it, kuna this, we are in the kitchen. Kuna water dispenser. Yeah. Some switches, the fridge, definitely. And then kuna this storage water super drum, just in case maji pote. Kuna kwa like kunayo, definitely for the where you put your garbage and everything, the food stuffs, some mayai, foil, utensil rack. Hivyo. And I like this marble. Hii cover top yake, it's so hard and nice, and it being long, like when you walitengeneza hii stuff kuna hii working area, like hata ukipika chapo you're catered for. And then plus these storage places, they're just nice, and it's big. Hii place hapa hivi kitchen, the kitchen part area, it's so big. Nawezi feel ni kama as in utosheki nayo. Next we have this microwave hapo hivyo, and this amazing cooker na kuninia hiyo smoke yake hivyo, the suit and everything. That's it. It's easier, and I love taking this Robertson. It's my favorite one. Yeah, a quick look from afar. That's how the kitchen area looks like. Please comment down below and tell me, what do you think of how she has arranged the place? For me, it's so nice, and I'm enjoying each and every part of it. So it's a 2-bedroom house. Hapa hivi ni mahali pa kuosha, so she have this washing machine, and that's it. Not much on it. Next tunaenda kwa bedroom ya kwanza. This is where I've been sleeping. Alafu kuna hii place ya kusomea. That's my swimming costume. Yep, let's go. And one thing I like about this place, as in you slide. Like you just slide. You see? The wardrobe. Na slide too. Turn to the second. Hasa kuna pathway niko hapa. So next is the washroom. Ninakaa hivyo. It's big enough. Oh, that's the washroom. Tuende kwa the other house. Look at the bed. Msijali kama I've just decided to take it as raw it is. Kuna another very big window. Na napendanga hizi windows zenye zinatokanga hapo juu mpaka huko hivi chini. That's it. What do you think of it? It's lovely. Yani so lovely. And I like it so much. Nakapoa. Yep. So that's the washroom. So kuna master bedroom. And what do you think of this place, besties? If you've really enjoyed this kind of a video, just comment down below and tell me niwalete more of house tours. Njoo nimekawia sana, and I'll be grateful if you give this video a like. Okay, besties, let's go to the swimming, enjoy a bit of it, ndawaonyesha, and continue subscribing, liking, and share this video. Okay, love you so much. Toros, but tuende tukaswim kwanza. Okay.
Hi guys. My name is Kezia. I'm friend to Shiko. Nimekuja kumfunza kuswim.
Imagine. Sijui najua tu like ile 1%.
Mimi najua ile ya 10%.
Yako unajua kama unaweza dive. Ana dive ana swim na backwards. I mean inaitwa backstroke. I don't know. Is it backstroke? Imagine ukiingia tangu swim baridi.
Yeah. Ukichoka ndio utafanya.
It's so amazing, this is. No,
Kuna kunyima.
Na
so easy like Akishi go kamera ikirete nyambo kirelezi do berea con
digato Like it is so amazing, imagine. I wish like it would last like forever. This moment.
Able to swim where Hatire horo anyina haha
Hakuna njia. Haya. You can see.
Siwezi swim na wewe juu.
But tutaenda tu at least. Ndio sawa. Okay. Ma. Nyoni oguo nina ni akwa nĩ magerio Kai, imagine unaifanya it's so easy. Nyonia. Gosh. Wow. I love your swimming skills.